This is the Step 2 Paw Patrol adventure coaster. Let's jump straight in with putting this together. This is a kids roller coaster, recommended age of 2 to 5 years. This can be used indoor or outdoor. All the coaster track is made of plastic, so it's also waterproof. All this track can be put together by one person by simply pushing and clicking all the pieces together. The track is 9 feet long. If you add the expansion pack, which we'll show you later, that will add another 3 feet onto the track and also adds another 5 inches high. The coaster car has a high back, handrails, footrests and holds up to 22.7 kgs. As these pieces all slot together and click into place, it's also very easy to take apart and store. My son loves going on this kids roller coaster. It's the first thing he wants to do when he gets to his nan's. Here you can see sections of the track simply slotting together. The car also features flashing lights and sounds from the TV show when you insert 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. The batteries go in the black section just below the handrails. This section will detect movement and play one of its sounds. Now we're going to look at adding the expansion pack. This will extend the track from 9 feet to 12 feet and increase the height by 5 inches. We'll simply pull a section of the track apart and insert these pieces. Here you can also add 4 screws to permanently fix the top section to the frame. For ease of dismantling, we've left them out. So we've now changed the track from a 4-piece to a 5-piece roller coaster and made the roller coaster 5 inches higher. My son's able to push the car up the track until the car wheels sit in the groove at the top. Then he's able to go up the steps and go back down on the car. This way he's able to set himself up and go again and again whilst we watch. When assembling the wheels to the car, you'll tap the metal rods onto the wheels and then push the metal bar into this groove of the car. For the handles, you slide in the pole and attach the grips. Here's some information about the coaster. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Thanks for watching.